Hello guys, this is Solanki and today in this video we will be talking about an amazing opportunity that you cannot miss during this crypto bull run. The opportunity that I'm talking about took my portfolio to 10x within a short span of just 3 to 4 days. Now generally people invest in cryptocurrencies when they are already listed on a centralized exchange like Binance. This becomes a pretty late starting point for anyone who comes in and invests in that token. Getting a 10x, 100x return on such tokens, it's very difficult. So what you need to do is invest in these tokens before anyone else does. How do you do this? Well, welcome to Crypto Trenches, where I'll be telling you exactly how to navigate every single thing over here, how to create your wallet, how to buy meme coins and spot them early on before they 10x, 100x or even 1000x. When Trump first launched his cryptocurrency, it was not available on any of the centralized exchanges. It took almost a day or two in order to be listed on Binance. If you were waiting for investing in Trump's token after it got listed on these centralized exchanges, then you were already pretty late. So how do you spot these meme coins at a very early stage? How do you invest in these tokens? And much more will be discussed over here. So watch this video till the end. Let's go on to my laptop. I will also do a live trade right in front of you to showcase you how the entire system works. Alright, so here we are on our laptop screen and here you can see I've already gone on this website. It's called Phantom.com. This is the wallet that we'll be using in order to invest in Solana's meme coins that are being launched every single day. Now if you haven't installed Phantom yet, then just click on download for Chrome and you'll be good to go. I've already done that, so I already have my Phantom wallet over here, and as you can see I've already loaded it with some Solana as well as USDT in order to trade. But if you're creating the wallet from scratch, then you might not have any balance on it in the start. So how do you load your Phantom wallet with cryptocurrencies, especially Solana, so that you can buy meme coins with it? So the best way is to go over to a centralized exchange like Binance. So I'll just go over to Binance.com, and over here you can go over to your dashboard. If you haven't created your entire profile yet, just do the KYC and buy cryptocurrencies on Binance directly using fiat currency. So say for example, if you're using rupees, dollars, whatever it is, you can directly buy cryptocurrencies over here. Once you've bought some cryptocurrencies, especially Solana, you can then go over to your balance. So I'll just go over to assets. In assets, you can go over to spot, and within spot wallet, you have the option to withdraw the cryptocurrency. So over here we'll withdraw Solana balance to our Phantom wallet. Now I already have done the entire process, so I'll just show you how it works. Just copy the Solana address over here. This is your Phantom wallet's Solana address. Do not copy any other addresses and paste it over here. It should auto detect that it's a Solana network. Then withdraw the maximum amount, whatever you want to withdraw, and then just click on withdraw. Now right now I don't have any balance because I've already transferred it. So that's the entire process of transferring cryptocurrencies from a centralized exchange to a wallet like Phantom. Now this is the exact same process for any exchange that you use. I've just shown the process for Binance, but you can use it on any exchanges. Now once you've loaded your Phantom wallet with the Solana balance, now is the process where we will get into the trenches and start trading meme coins and make 10x profits. So let's go. The first and the foremost thing is you need a platform from where you can look at all the cryptocurrencies being launched right now and then invest in them. So which is that platform? The platform will be down in the description box. So it is called photon-sol.tinyastro.io. Now this is the website that we'll be using in order to trade on Solana. There are other platforms as well. There is one platform called as Bullex. So, but then there is a waitlist for this. You can use that as well. You can create your wallet directly on Telegram. I've made a detailed video on how to create a Telegram wallet as well. So you can go check that video out. But once you've created your wallet, instead of Phantom, you need that Telegram wallet, and then just connect your Telegram and you're good to go with this platform. But for now, let's stick to Photon itself. Now once you're there on the platform, the next thing that you need to do is create your wallet with Photon. So how do you do that? Just click on the wallet icon and you'd be good to go. You'd be able to create your own wallet, and then the next step is depositing cryptocurrencies to this wallet. It's the exact same process that we did with Binance. Now you can directly just click on my wallets or deposit and copy this particular wallet address. Okay, so I've copied the wallet address, and then the next thing that I need to do is send my Solana from my Phantom wallet to this wallet. So first of all, I need to convert my USDT. So let me just convert, say $50. All right, $50. And it will get converted. Let me swap it right now. So I'm converting my USDT balance to Solana. Once that is done, I have $50 worth of Solana right now with me. I'll click over here, click on send, and then the wallet address that we had copied from here, it's pasted over here, and then the amount would be 0.24. Okay, so that's how much I want to transact. It's around $50. Let's do that. Let's send it, and once it is confirmed, you will be able to see your wallet balance updated with the amount that you've sent. So let's close this for now. It would take a few minutes in order to update the wallet balance, but once it's done, you would be then able to use this balance in order to trade meme coins. So let's start with trading meme coins now. The first and the foremost thing you have to do is go over to MemeScope. So this is a place that I use specifically in order to scan the entire market and invest in meme coins as early as possible, even before they 10x, 100x or whatever. Now you can see I've already gotten the wallet balance that I transferred. I've gotten the 0.24 Solana over here, and let's start investing in these meme coins. So let's first understand what this MemeScope actually is. So here you can see 3 columns. There's the first column, which is newly launched. These are the meme coins that are right now being produced as we speak. Then there is about to graduate. So once they are launched on platforms like Pump.fun, Moonshot, and so on and so forth, they then have to migrate towards Radium, right? So these are the coins that are about to migrate and are in the process of reaching the $100,000 market cap. Now once that is done, it will then come over to graduated, and then we can trade on those cryptocurrencies directly on Radium as well. So this is the entire process. Now if you want to learn more about how to launch your cryptos on Pump.fun, I've made a detailed video on this, so go check that video out. But let's start analyzing how to invest in these cryptos. So the first and foremost thing is you can either invest in newly created pairs, which are very, very risky. Then there is about to graduate. Now because these cryptocurrencies have already reached a certain level of market cap in order to come in this column, so they already have a bit of history with the amount of holders, with the amount of transactions that have happened. So it's much safer than the first column, and the last column is the safest in comparison to the last 2 columns. Of course, the entire trenches, the entire crypto trenches is very risky, and whatever cryptos that we buy over here, it's much likely that it can go to zero as well. But yes, once in a while one crypto hits and it just gives you a 100x, 1000x return. Now I'll just talk about my strategy. You can create your own strategies by yourself, but I'll talk about my strategy over here. But before that, I want to make a special announcement. At the end of this video, I will be talking about a specific Telegram channel that I'm creating. It's an alpha group only for people who are interested in cryptos and investing in cryptocurrencies at a much earlier stage. This is a Telegram channel where I'll be posting about different cryptocurrencies that you can invest in. I'll put their contact addresses down and you can invest in those cryptocurrencies if you like. It's not a financial advice, but yes, you can go check that group out as well. Now apart from that, let's just go over to my Twitter account and I'll show you what I mean. So say for example, I just search for CA, which is contract address for short, and there would be a lot of these contract addresses put up. All right. So just to show you what I mean by this, I'll just copy a contract address from here. Of course, this is not the right way, but you should actually look into the cryptocurrency that you're investing in. But let me just paste it over here. Alright, so once I've pasted it, I can see the cryptocurrency over here directly, and I can invest in this meme coin. Now you can see there is $126,000 liquidity, there's $700,000 market cap, and you can see all the different details about it over here. You can even analyze the different holders. So say for example, this is one of the holders and he has around $7,000 worth of tokens with him, and there are different types of holders over here. You can look at the traders, you can look at your own holdings, so on and so forth. So yeah, you can invest in these cryptocurrencies like this. But let's talk about my strategy over here. So once you go over to MemeScope, the first and the foremost thing that you need to do is to filter out the meme coins that you don't want to invest in. Now, I don't like to take a lot of risk because already we are in the trenches and this already is pretty risky. So what I like to do is just invest in cryptos which are being graduated. These are the cryptocurrencies that are already graduated, have reached a certain market cap, and have already had a history of transactions as well as holders. So I will only concentrate on this column for now. Now, apart from that, I also filter out most of these cryptos. So first and foremost is I only invest in cryptos which are launched either on Pump.fun or Moonshot. After that, I directly go down and then set the market cap to at least $50,000. Alright, now this is all that I do. I do not filter out many of the cryptocurrencies. I then like to look at them first and then filter them out later down the line. So here I can already see a crypto which is the YEG, just a YEG coin, and I think it's based on Kanye West's recent tweets, and people are waiting for him to drop a crypto right now. So let's look at this crypto. I can see that the graph is pretty good. There is a major sell-off over here which shows that the early investors have already exited. Let's see at the top traders. Yes, they have already exited from this token. So almost all the top traders have exited. So I think this is a cryptocurrency that I can invest in. I'll just take a very small bet over here. So in order to buy, you just go over to the buy section, keep it to buy now, insta buy, put in the amount of tokens that you want to buy. So say for example, I just want to buy 0.4 Solana worth of this token, which is around $100. Now, apart from that, advanced settings, I like to keep it to this. So this is my settings. I keep the slippage to 5, which is very low. Apart from that, priority fee, I like to keep it to 0.008. Bribery amount, that is basically used in order to make sure that your transaction fulfills first before anyone else. And yeah, let's just quick buy and see the transaction happen. Alright, so I've already taken a bet over here of 0.4 Solana. I don't know how this will go out basically, but let's hope for the best. And if you want to sell your tokens, you can just go on sell. I won't be selling right now, but I'll just show you how it works. You can sell 50% of your tokens, 100% of your tokens, keep the advanced settings to 20% slippage. The reason I increase the slippage is because most of the times you might not be able to cash out of these cryptocurrencies because of such a high volume. So I like to keep the slippage high. Then there's priority fee, and then bribery amount also I increase it to 0.005 in order to make sure that my transaction gets fulfilled, and then you can quickly sell it. Now of course we are already at a 10% decline from our initial investment, but yeah, it will keep on fluctuating quite a lot because these are the trenches. There'll be quite a lot of volume, there'll be quite a lot of volatility in these tokens when you invest. So that's basically how you invest in these meme coins from scratch to the end. Now, the last thing that I want to showcase is how do you take out this cryptocurrency directly in your Phantom wallet, and then from your Phantom wallet to your Binance or any of your exchanges in order to cash it out. So you go over to your wallet management, and then from there you click on withdraw, and from here you can then select the wallet. So over here I just have one wallet. You input the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw. Of course you won't be able to withdraw the entire amount, but you'd have to keep around 0.0025 Sol for transaction fees. So I'll just keep 0.32 as the withdrawal. Then withdraw to, this is my sign up wallet, but you can choose any wallet of your choice, and priority fee, and then click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, it'll come directly on your Phantom wallet. So that's how the entire system works. I hope you guys like this. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments down below, and the Telegram channel's link is down in the pinned comments as well as in the description. So go check it out. I'll be sharing a lot of these cryptocurrency alphas over there, and it'll be a lot of fun. So I hope to see you over there. See you. Bye bye.